endless possibilities.
Mido, Gana Biana. I'm going to do you have a soon every time I say, baby, she. Mangashi.
Junior! I'm saying so enough for me, be the no.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm used to it, why? My wife.
Down Yankanawa.
Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient.
LPG, let me see your hand.
Okom ye yaw eti mpayin akada me kom hwehwan emi memom ibitete bane bu wi a ebesena tuska akotaduru de anu omonyon onenti Mercafo finger linking fast food and catering services madamo edubakui aya krado de wati ediban papa what bosom hen na oya fast food yadi
doya jollof
fried rice plain rice wacha na ebusia ni na ebenyebi epian pese doya breza pese ana bayira pese ana bancha pese di aya krado kra benku na tilapia ana benku no okro stew ana ebusia ni na aya krado na titewie na epe bibi etwe wonum na che pastries meat pie rock buns spring rolls finger linking fast food and catering services ebusia hwona chirukwan wa Ankafu school park junction bepe pharmacy shop ni chanwa ana so opposite Ankafu na kwa project no bepe why your order so na why your delivery so it's butu ba fra homotu fi 0555 218992 ana so 0244 408701 finger linking fast food and catering service ana oxygen banpa na mama high
TV, a world of endless possibilities. TV, a world of endless possibilities.
Dear wonderful viewers of Coastal TV, this is a special edition of our program, and today we are just saying thank you to our interns from the various universities, especially University of Cape Coast and Cape Coast Tenkan University. They have been with us for almost 8 weeks. Takrady Tenkan University and University of Cape Coast for almost 8 weeks. And so today happens to be some of them their last day that will be giving out their service here. But as a station in the central region, we would not just want to let them to go, but we want to say thank you for your service. First of all, Michelle, Michelle has been wonderful. She is a student of the University of Cape Coast, and she is with the Cape Coast, that's University of Cape Coast, that's communication school.
Communication studies.
So communication studies, very well. So we want to find out from you, what has been your experience so far?
Thank you very much. I'll say so far my experience has been one of a kind.
Right, so let's, viewers, we want to get back. We want to go for a commercial break. Then later on, we'll come back and meet you as we discuss.
Hostile TV, a world of endless possibilities. Hostile TV, a world of endless possibilities. Hostile TV, a world of endless possibilities.
Well, viewers, we want to apologize for that break in transmission. We're trying to put up our technical equipment in order. So, Michelle, as we were saying, today happens to be probably your last day with us.
Yes.
At Coastal TV. What has been your experience so far? The first time that you heard the name Coastal TV in Cape Coast, were you wondering that there's a television called Coastal TV?
Oh yes, I used to watch Coastal TV back then, so I knew about Coastal
good.
TV.
Okay.
I used to enjoy Coastal TV as well.
Okay.
But then got to a point I couldn't get, because it went digital, I couldn't get it. But then I used to enjoy it very much.
Very well. So when you came, you are into strategic communication. What were some of your duties at the station here?
Please, I was assigned to camera work. So then I've been able to know how to handle productions, how to get correct angles, how to get the exposure and everything. So I've learned so much here.
Very well. So before coming to Coastal TV, were you handling cameras?
No, please. I didn't have any background of camera work or anything. I didn't even know how to hold the camera.
Very well.
But then coming here, I've been able to hold the camera. I've been able to shoot a whole interview and do a whole lot of things.
So what were your most enjoyable moments with Coastal TV? What thing did you do that probably you think that you gave your best out of it?
I would say when it comes to the camera work, I used to enjoy it. You see, when you are doing it, all your senses have to be active. So then as you are standing here, you are communicating with those in the MCR, but you are not speaking to them. But then it's like sign language, so then you are using all your senses and all that. So I was really involved in it.
Very well. Then compared to the studio work, and I remembered you going to film the Nyamansa Dokun individuals. How did you find that story?
Oh, it was a very interesting story. We got to learn right from how they prepare they get the leaves to how they prepare it and all that. So it was a very interesting field experience.
Very well. So that means you have learned something since you came over to Coastal TV as we speak. Is that not it?
Yes, please, I have.
Very well. Good. What advice you want to give to your younger ones who are at University of Cape Coast who are also reading similar programs, so that next time when they are doing their internship, where should they go to?
Oh, I would say they can come to Coastal TV, because coming here has given me the opportunity to be confident, to give out my best, to learn a whole lot of things. So they can come here and learn everything, and it will benefit them in a lot of ways.
Good. Then what suggestion would you want to give to management of Coastal TV, so that when as other interns come, what should they do to make you more comfortable, especially for you people to learn more? What advice you have? We need to be candid. What advice? Is there any room of improvement, especially for Coastal TV?
Oh, please, there's always more room for improvement. So I would say they should involve the interns more. Like, they should be like friends with them. They should get to know, because sometimes probably there's something they want to know or they've heard somewhere, but they can't confirm. So they should be like that close with them in order to get out the best out of them.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So at this point, we'll go for a little break. Then I want to call the deputy news editor who has probably been mentoring these interns, and so she knows them more, especially their work ethics. We'll call on Susie to also come over and express a viewpoint based on Michelle, what she found about Michelle. So let's go for an interlude. We'll be back.
Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities. Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities. A world of endless possibilities. Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities.
So we are here once again, and welcome back from the commercial break. We have Susie, who happens to be the deputy news editor for Coastal TV, and she was, in charge of dealing with the interns who were here for the past 8 weeks. So Susie, over to you. What has been your impression about Michelle? Your candid impression about her?
Okay, so about Michelle specifically, first of all, I would say all the interns did very well with their internship and all that. We were ready to learn, they were proactive, and they were involved in whatever that we did here at Coastal TV. And talking about Michelle has been one wonderful student, let me put it that way. Yes, she was always ready to learn. You will not say that Michelle do this and then she will give you a different answer. Or she will say that, oh, I can't do it, I don't know how to do it. She will learn, even if she doesn't know how to do it. She was proactive. We don't have to tell her that do this, and she's there. When someone is not here, she's always ready to take over the person's role, and she's always ready to be taught. And she's been amazing. In short, she's been amazing. She's been a good student, and yeah, we were glad. In fact, we are still glad to have her around. Yeah.
Very well. So, in fact, deputy editor has summed it up, and I did not communicate with her. People are just watching, and basically, she has said what it is that indeed you were always ready to work, and even though your friends are not around, you are still available today to be around. That tells you that you are committed. We will really miss you, and definitely we are even praying that we would have allowed you to be here till November 8th, but you have to also assist others as well. On this note, we want to present you this particular certificate. Michelle Jobson, good. The last name is what?
Mutual.
Mutual. Hey, Michelle Jobson Mutual. This certificate of award is being awarded to you for being the best intern at the Coastal TV station in the year 2025. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. So Michelle here happens to be our best intern, and so as you heard, deputy news editor saying that she's always ready to work and she will never say no. And so for a selfless effort, service right here at Coastal TV, we want to say that you are crowned the best intern. And this is a milestone, and you will be the first person to have received this award from Coastal TV. And we are hopeful that in the next 10 years, when we see you in the big media houses, probably you'll be the news manager there, and it's that you started from Coastal TV. Congratulations once again.
Thank you very
Congratulations.
much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very
Good. I hope you didn't expect that you'll be getting this award. We didn't tell anybody that we'll be awarding anybody. No. That is how it is. At this point, do you have anything to say?
I just want to say a very big thank you to everyone at Coastal TV because they accepted us with open arms, and the experience here so far has been wonderful. So I just want to say a very big thank you, and may God richly bless each and every one of you.
Amen.
Very well. Thank you very much. Invite our next intern.
Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities. Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities. Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities.
Very well. This is a special edition of our program right here at Coastal TV, and we are looking at our interns currently who are at Coastal TV with us. For the past 8 weeks, they have been with Coastal TV, giving out their service as university students right here at Coastal TV. And they have been very, very active. Without them, we would not have been very productive with our programs within the period that they have been here. At the moment, Araba, she's my favorite because of my first daughter is called Araba, so I see her as my daughter. Araba Apome. That's right. Good. Araba, so far you have been with us. You are from Takoradi Technical University.
Yes,
so what do you do at Takoradi Technical University? Please, you can watch the camera.
Please, I study graphics.
Graphics.
Yes, please.
So which year are you?
Please, level 100.
So you are in first year?
Yes, please.
So the first time you heard about Coastal TV, what was going through your mind?
I thought the station was no longer working.
Okay.
So
good. Please be audible.
A friend of mine told me that the station is still working, so I should come here.
Okay.
When I come here, I'll learn new stuff.
Very good.
Yes, please.
So your friend was residing where? In Cape Coast?
Please, he was doing his semester out here.
Out here, okay,
yes,
good. So he rather encouraged you to come. So when you were coming, what was in your mind? Because you were doing graphic design.
So I came here to master in graphics.
Very good.
Yes, please.
So what were some of the things that you were told to master in graphics? So when you came here, what was your first assignment? What graphic work did you do?
So she learned more editing.
Very good.
Yes, please. So
and you worked on the logo?
Yes, please.
Okay,
yes, please.
very well.
Yes, please.
And working on TV logo, how was your experience at the time? First year, and you are told to do a logo. At first, what was your impression?
It was challenging, but I tried my best.
You tried your best.
Yes, please.
Why was it challenging? Is that in the first year, they don't teach you design at that first stage? That was the first time of you to design something?
Yes, please. We were taught how to do only one logo,
okay.
which was the TV3 logo. Yes, please. So when I came, I learned how to do the Costa TV logo.
Very well.
Yes,
so you, because of the TV3 logo that you practice in school, you were able to apply this as Costa TV. Is that not it?
Yes, please.
Very well. Then apart from graphic design that you were allowed to design the logo of the TV, and what about the what about assignments were you also allowed to engage in?
Okay, please. When I was here, I was assigned to the reception in the studio.
Very
so
well.
I've learned how to set up the camera and the studio, and for the reception, I've learned how to welcome guests.
Very well.
But the last time we went to the field and I did some switching. Yes,
switching? What is switching?
Switching of the station and yes, please.
Switching of the station.
No,
was it a live program
yes,
in town?
Yes,
okay.
Yes,
so you did art broadcast program.
Yes,
so you were controlling the equipment.
Yes, please.
Very well. Sounds. And the sounds. So apart from that, was it the first time of you handling camera?
Yes, please.
So what were some of the lessons in learning camera? Especially, what do you look at when you want to, like, let's say we are standing now and you are asked to be behind the camera. What are you looking at?
Please, there have to be a space on top.
Very good. So your headroom.
Yes,
you are looking at the headroom, eh?
Yes, please. And
okay.
the person has to be in the middle.
Middle. Very well. Good. So as we are now, are we okay?
Yes, please.
Are we okay? Are they doing well?
Yes, please. They are doing well.
They are doing well, eh?
Yes, please.
Our head is not being cut.
Yes, please.
Good. Right. So at this point, let me invite Umar. Umar happens to be the program manager and also the morning show host. And so during Umar's program, you normally take good care of his coverage. So we want to find out from Umar what has been your experience with you. Let's go for commercial break. Then we'll invite Umar right here. That's Umar, our program manager, the face of Costa TV. So Umar, since you have been doing the program or morning show, Araba, what was your observation? What observation in there for Araba as a woman?
Yeah, Prof. Ozikan, I'm much more kind of. A bad issue upon a cafe being here.
Technical University,
Technical University and University of Cape. Yeah, a ship putting bear with more day, 100 bear went to Moncobe. Each other's a Costa TV to me, Hinana, Doma war again, her Doma of infant to my Wutumana washing. In say, yes, I am no more Baba cancer. A quanapay to me for the tomorrow, Doma, to Nempe for Quana father when home for entity, the baby, what to Mabe, the beer order to motion. Now you share break a cable babies here, watching the mappy or sunny them. Arabas is order here, Odin Canabano, you know, Crabon, or your castle. Now, more for send on your baby, and also Mr. Malcolm to me, so your baby, I'm a chinnaby, ebiara ihu a wo so etumi na ye bibi because any bridge juma na fi obodo baby no wa ya foforo wa ya adenum na prende onto ye bi no otumi ye za na che ko se bonye be is a plus for her or for him a obuto abobo mo otumi akoyim nti ye hwe fitida mebre oye depend our try wotumo be bizon oye Coastal TV za etumi yi ho afam ne hinara akona obafada wotumo na MC wotumo control nzama akona obafada wotumo no control oye cameras akona obafada outreach program wotumo no wa yen ye ni hinara no obia de wotumo ohye no hinara no odo otumo ofane de wa akwa afriko ntete ofi za wobutumo be akona obafada etumi na atro nsam ko se stories abutumo wa kan na yi ho afam busibiriza na ne za iba kind anwona ho yi wo brain osena adushe biara iwe yebirfo ha wotumo mia ho wotumo shiade ne wa birim so ha wo ba ka chedo I'm tired muntumi ye ma bra musuro da mon kofu hia abe na wonya wotumo ka ho but at the end of the day zeni hia tumo boma obia no mozo bo ya bo biara mpelifo ha wotumo na na so babushia de no so wotumo hu nti jizira za wotumo shien wo mia ho kwanyima zisa twenya no buto baba.
Very well. So Araba Day no among the intentional new work attitude notes then.
Yeah, Prof. Zamutu ma kind some share day one na me susia. Mo na ozi kan day one una akumutu ho. Osana fiti abra mo share ozena krata ba ozi na ma me bai. But anu mi ni zim ko na so do. Oho mo na akumutu. And there Anthony abaya ni one njemo ho. Osana o share the height of me na fi oliba abaya na chana akumutu. Na ngisa otumo voice out otumo kan. But obai obaka Coastal TV no we hu na za odwene mun nya dem no tomoti nti za me push ne ontum nya so wotum aye biza ne nda obisibia na che mamo no mbo na kosebo ya o market wo so 100% o se bi etum efi baby ekokudi baby a eya ye kura no ye for ha ne chichemu oye doson mutum za ma 70% mutum za ma na wotum na wotu na ma wo bia onyim ne ye bebudi da pesi o cheda oye fosopia wotum na wonya o Coastal TV.
Very well. Yeah, that's CP. So in there at this point, no, Kirsten Araba Keto. Hey, is it no yet there? If you go here, or if you Brazil, if you New York, Keto. Yes. So this certificate of award is being awarded to Kirsten Araba Keto for being the best female discipline intern at the Coastal TV in the year 2025. So I will let Umar to present this to you. Congratulations. Good. Congratulations. Right. So this is about the Becca for who certificate?
For the one bra Coastal TV, they will learn something. They will learn something more.
Very well. Yes, very well. And your sad experience with Coastal TV was when you went to buy some food. What happened to your food? What happened to your food then? What happened to your food? Where is Benetton? Orlando or infant? I thought then where? Meat pie. Meat pie. So meat pie no. It's easy meat pie no. I call infant. Oh, okay. Coastal TV, we are reporting the news. The news is that she landed herself in the hospital. Sorry for that. That was your work experience. Didn't you uncover a story, no? Didn't you uncover a story, no? Who food poison, no? All right, thank you very much. So let's go on commercial break. When we come back, the last intern would also be revealed right here at Coastal TV. Let's go and
Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities. Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities. Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities.
Eti mpayin akada me kwam hwehwan emi memom ibi tete bane bu wi a ebese na tuska akotaduru de anu omonyo onenti Mercanfo finger linking fast food and catering services madamo edubakui aya krado de wati ediban papa wati bosom hen na oya fast food yadi
doya jollof
fried rice plain rice wacha na ebusia ni na ebenyebi epian pese doya buaza pese ana bayira pese ana bancha pese di aya krado kra benku na tilapia ana benku no okro stew ana ebusia ni na aya krado na titewie na epebibi etwewonum na che pastries meat pie rock buns spring rolls finger linking fast food and catering services ebusia hwona chirukwan wa Ankafu school park junction bepe pharmacy shop ni chanwa ana so opposite Ankafu na kwa project no bepe why your order so na why your delivery so it's butu ba fra homotufi 0555218992 ana so 0244408701 finger linking fast food and catering service ana oxygen de banpa na mama high.
Hostile TV, a world of endless possibilities.
Viewers, we are now back at Coastal TV. At the moment, we want to also introduce our intern called Francis. Francis has been so helpful. I think this is the second time of doing his internship. I think 3 months ago, he was there to do his internship, and he felt that it was good and decided to come back again right here to Coastal TV. Francis is from Takoradi Technical University, and we want to find out, what do you study at Takoradi Technical University, Francis?
Well, I study graphics at Takoradi Technical University.
And which year are you now?
Level 300, going to my final.
So you are now in third year, so you are senior now, eh? Very well. So you have been here before,
yes.
And this is your second time now. So far, what has been your impression about Coastal TV?
To begin with, when I came here, I'm someone that I don't really know how to handle pressure and then with a lot of stuff. So then coming here alone made me, handle pressure well, improve on my editing, and then
very good. So who normally gives you pressure? Be frank, who gives you pressure?
No, it's general, it's everywhere, because working here, there's pressure here, working here, there's pressure here, working here, there's pressure here.
So you got any department that you go, you are under pressure?
Yes.
Very well. So what can you say that is your sad moment with Coastal TV, that when you went home you felt bad? Be honest.
So far, okay, I'll say
none of them, eh? Good. So, but the pressure that you are, what work do you do? That gives you that pressure.
Sometimes, maybe with the editing.
Very well.
You need to edit fast so that it will be aired and taken to air. And sometimes on the field, taking a shot, you see, maybe you might not see a good angle to. Sometimes there's a ongoing,
program.
No, not program, but then in the program there's some nice shots you can take and then add to your news, but then maybe you wouldn't see. So when your host or presenter sees it, then yes, come
very well. Very good. So have you ever experienced going to the field, taking your camera, and only to go there, your battery dies off in 5 minutes? Was there any experience like that?
Yes.
And how did you feel? So what did you do? What did you do to make sure that the visuals is still, your battery is off? How did you get the visuals?
Well, I told the people around to like, please charge my battery a little for me so that I get some shots.
So, but whilst you are charging, what were you doing to be innovative, to get the shot? Because the program is still ongoing and you are going to charge your battery. That means you can't take any shot. So what did you do? What was your innovative way?
Sometimes I didn't take the shot with my phone. So
very well. So that means you are innovative in that direction. So you didn't just fold your hand that, oh, the battery is off, so I can't do anything. But you decided to use your phone to get some visuals in there, which was good. Then when you go out to take visuals, let's say you go in the morning around 10, the news is at 1, you get here around 12. How do you get the stories aired?
You really have to be fast with your editing, especially. Sometimes you might not be done with your editing though, so you just do the short ones fast. He airs that one out. So by the time he's done with that, then you are also done with the long ones. So he airs it.
Good. So with your editing, when you came first, how has been like your editing? Have you improved?
Oh, I've improved quite a lot. You know, first when I came here, I was not really good with the editing, but then as time goes on, with the help of the technical team, yes, they improved, helped me, and then I've improved a lot in my editing.
Now, you referred one of your juniors to come here. Why did you refer your junior to come here to Coastal TV? What have you seen? Why didn't she go to TV3 in Accra?
She was someone, she wasn't really able to handle pressure and stuff. So I was like, oh, here, I lied to her that here is cool, there's no pressure. She come and enjoy, you know, there's free, you can sit there to whatever, like, you will not do nothing. And then
so that you are disappointed there. Okay, good, that's fine. So let me invite Susie. We'll go on commercial break. We'll invite Susie. Susie also, she's dealing with interns. She has also observed Francis for a short period of time. Let's find out from Susie after this break.
Hostile TV, a world of endless possibilities. Hostile TV, a world of endless possibilities. Hostile TV.
Good. So we are back from the commercial break. So we have Susie, our deputy news editor. She is also in charge of the interns. So Susie, so far you have also observed Michelle, and now is the time for Francis. What have you seen so far with Francis in terms of editing, his composure to work? What do you say?
I would say Francis has really been an asset to Coastal TV. His dedication, his time consciousness, his punctuality. I always come to work to meet Francis here. You know, at the MCR, you have to be here very early. And Francis always makes it a point to come here very early, before any program will even start. So I would say Francis has been a very good student too, as well. Yes, he's been very good. And like you were saying, with the editing and MCR work and all that, Francis will not go home if he's not done with his editing.
Very well.
He will be here, finish his editing before he goes home. So sometimes he's the first to come, but the last to leave. So Francis has also been a very good student here at Coastal TV, and we are glad and happy to have him around.
Very well. So Francis, you have heard it, and so Susie will present this certificate to you, since she has observed you, and let's see what happens with Susie regarding this. So Francis, indeed, he doesn't say no when you give him activities to do in his area, and so Francis always is ready to work, as we have been informed by the deputy news editor. I remembered when I called Francis on, was it Sunday morning, that come and take a shot at a futu. Francis was with the grandmother. After doing everything with the grandmother, Francis decided to come over. And I was excited that he made it. If somebody else would say, oh, I'm with my grandmother, after a Sunday, we only come to work Monday to Friday, but he decided to say no to it. So we want to give this token to Francis and to say thank you very much for being with us.
For your services.
So, you can read it first before presenting it.
This certificate is awarded to Francis Juma. Francis Juma for being the best videographer intern at Coastal TV in the year 2025. Congratulations, Francis.
Good. So, Francis, thank you very much. At least with this, we believe that in the next 10 years, when you have completed your program and when you are working with a media organization or wherever you find yourself and you are excelling, you know that it all started there. And one thing we want to advise all interns is that volunteerism is very good. And when you are doing your internship, do it as if you are working. You don't know who is observing you. Yes. And tomorrow when you want some reference notes and you want to get something, at least people will say that, okay, you did well, and they can recommend you elsewhere. Congratulations. Do you have anything to say to this effect?
Well, all I have to say is, everyone should put their best when they do their intern. You don't know who is watching or where you can go after your intern. So,
very well. So the first time that you did your intern, did you get a certificate? No. So you see our endurance piece now. Very well. So we'll go on commercial break and we want to wrap up the program. But before then, we'll invite our news editor, Asoriba, to come over, and all the interns who are here. At the moment, we have 3 of them who are here. On next week, when they come over, the rest of them will also do similar special program. Let's invite all the interns here. But let's go on commercial break. After that, we invite Asoriba to come over.
Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities. Coastal TV, a world of endless possibilities.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you. We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
So far, we want to end this program, this special edition of our program presentation of certificates to our interns. And so we have Asorba, who happens to be the news editor, and at least from morning, let's say from 7 a.m. Down to around 5 p.m. he has been with this interns as well. So as a news editor, you come very early in the morning, and some of them assist you. You have worked very close with Francis. You have also worked closer with Michelle and Araba as well. Since I will observation today as news editor, what for program?
Yeah, so but that's it. But we now why what back in time. As a crowd mission so we 1 time in Zago. Until na ama menyeji mono. But mama kind why as my observation, let's say one my advice ahead of money education.
That's right.
They should continue ask. We lack asking questions.
Okay, good.
But being as a student in it, or there every day be once I would be shawasa you need to ask questions.
That's right.
If not that, they be no as if you were in show.
In Bisa
on show or Shama Ibisa, but also any Bisa questions on show or manner. Aboko baby, I lack the mother be a catcher the no them. Police one kind of man, but anyway, be said such a bachelor.
That's right.
I will use the so I will now order bombers in the piano, a pressure share, Odinia.
Okay.
Into no, what Francis or a beer, Yahina Matsukaka, but I do cry about my moon there, Nina Bradisha. Although that no further graphics now, also Camberman, also Camberman, I call. Public places that don't want to pay Hanu, Mundo or a shy person, but Obocosta Naya in a one fan to what the old Meferenti Munko, but there was maybe a no co, maybe friendly no co, until the man of war in Anima, especially Michelle, yeah, no so. Then a big woman would yes, short TV or the Kafan war. Fishing market and Vatobeno, what a very nice shot. Now you knew there, over 200 camera not in set footage about, and when I say about at Chabaco, so Araba, yeah, I was Araba, yeah, Araba. It's no so, in fact, last time, Yaku baby in your hands, also more. Nancha was it also a book of Miss Manco and Paso your cry, no prepare on Kitashi, but she try hard and look at her now. Some words on the Bema, you told me the short story.
Very well.
And say once again, congratulations.
Right. So congratulations to you all interns. So this shows that wherever you go and do your internship or even national service, please pay attention to it. People are watching you, and definitely from there, you'll be recommended that probably there are opportunities there. Don't just take it that, oh, as for me, I'm a service personnel, or I mean, I intend be. People are not watching. People are watching you, and so you need to do that. This is the first time Coastal TV we are doing this, and definitely you have paved the way. So that next time when your university wants to bring people here, we'll say that, okay, we'll need you people, because you people are more helpful to us. Thank you once again, and for our viewers watching, we want to say we thank you for this special program, and hopefully next week we are also going to give the opportunity to the other interns and find out more